So many of us, women especially, have so many messages, and so often the messages of not enough. Top of the ranks probably would be not enough time. Not enough time for me. Not enough time to stop, to plan, to think this through, to feel into this. What do I really want? I don't have enough sleep. I don't have time to sleep. I need more sleep. I don't have enough energy to do that. And I could go probably on and on much longer. So what I'm really passionate about sharing is the concept of an abundant woman who has an abundance of whatever she needs. Notice whatever she needs, not whatever she desires just to look good or be glamorous or be seen or be noticed. No, I'm talking about deep needs that are important for us as human beings to live well, be happy, stable, grounded, and be in alignment with every aspect of our lives for our purpose of existence. So here in this southern hemisphere, it's winter right now. And one of the things is to have abundant energy, abundant vitality, and abundant rest, because winter is a time for rest. So we're going to start the Abundant Women, the circles online and in person here on the South Coast, focusing on that. And every month there will be a different focus, different aspects of life. So we can start to access through the ancient secrets and wisdoms that I have had the privilege to study since 2008. So for 14 years now, I've learned this infinite wisdom, which, by the way, my study and journey of learning continues. But there is so much we can leverage, because it's okay to say pause, but what do you do when you pause? How do you recoup yourself? How do you reset yourself so that there is a change in direction to change what the existence is, why you paused? So I have much to share that I'm excited and passionate to share with you that have changed my life, how I manage myself and my daily life that I have learned. So if this message resonates with you or with whom it resonates, join me. If you're somewhere else around the world, join me in the online Abundant Women Circles. If you can come and meet us in person here on the South Coast, then I look forward to meeting you in person.